Hello tipsters and tricksters, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vintage tips and tricks video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Bea Townsend. I am a vintage glamour enthusiast and musician. I make vintage beauty and style videos with a little bit of sustainability, veganism and lifestyle thrown in for good measure. If that sounds like your jam, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when my videos come out. Today I'm bringing you a collaboration with none other than Madam Glam again. This was a real hit with you guys. I wasn't sure how it would go down because it's not kind of like traditionally vintage. It's very much kind of creative, standard beauty kind of line. But I've been having a whole lot of fun doing colourful nails and playing around with the products that they've been sending me. It's not sponsored, they just gift me the items. But I've been really getting into this. This is something I found really fun during lockdown. And what I've shared on my Instagram and here on my YouTube channel has gone down really, really well with you guys. And you've asked for more videos. So here I am. So I guess without further ado, let's get into it.
What have you got if you haven't got love?
Just did my hair for a Patreon video, which is why I'm looking very glamorous from the neck up, but I am in my casual yoga gear and Christmas socks from the neck down. And you know what? That's okay. It's okay if you want to wear your yoga gear and be glamorous, or if you just want to be in your yoga gear and not be glamorous. You do you. The latest collection that Madam Glam has sent me is their Two of a Kind collection, which they're releasing for Valentine's Day. It is available now. I have got 4 gorgeous shades from the collection that I selected, but they have other colors as well. Some of them are traditional Valentine's Day colors, others are anti-Valentine's Day colors, so you can go with whatever you feel like and get really crafty and creative with them. Something I really, really like about them is the colors are very 60s. So as you know, I've been doing the late 50s, early 60s vibes recently. And they have very like pale, pastel-y, creamy shades. So I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see. I think my lighting is too bright. I will insert it here. But this particular nail design is like a pale violet-y color with a sort of creamy red and egg yolk yellow color, and then a very, very, very pale baby pink color. These shades screamed 60s to me. And so I was really excited to experiment and play with them. And I had fun creating this pretty kind of daisy flower pattern on my fingers, as you'll see in the insert. But some of my other favorites that I actually got in the Christmas calendar, in the advent calendar that they sent me, are surprisingly a sparkly green color that I did as like a 1930s look with like a gold V near the nail bed around my moon, and a deep like midnight blue color with glitter in it. I've really been enjoying those colors as well. So I'll insert pictures of those. And they sent me 2 nail polishes that really surprised me. I wasn't expecting this, but one glows in the dark, which I tried to show on camera and I couldn't capture it. I don't have the setup that allows me to actually capture that lower level of light in the dark, but they indeed glow neon yellow in the dark, but during the day they look like this very pale salmon-y color, which was very 50s and I loved. And the other one was an almost like nudish pink that when it got cold, it slowly faded up your nail as the temperature changed and it went to like a deep, almost fuchsia pink color. So you had 2 different nail colors, and then when it was halfway in between, it looked kind of ombre. So cool. So yeah, I've been playing with colors other than red. And when I first agreed to collaborate with them, I was like, I only wear red nail polish, just sent me a bunch of different red colors. And then the advent calendar came and I got all sorts of excited and creative. So I thought I would share these things with you today. So I will pop the insert in of how I did this particular nail design because I thought this was really creative and fun. And many of you have asked me to update you with some creative nail designs that aren't just a standard paint or the half moon manicure. So I hope you enjoy, guys. For this look, I'm going to be using First Base, Singular and Fabulous, Cupid, and Fries Before Guys. I started with 2 coats of First Base. Always leave a couple of millimeters above your cuticle so you don't get bleeding. I'm not great at this, but I'm getting better with each coat that I do, as you can see on my ring finger. For the center of the flowers, I went and put little dollops of Cupid. Then for the petals, I went in with Single and Fabulous and Fries Before Guys. I did find that this worked better if I made dollops with the colors rather than kind of thinning out the paint. But it just looked better once it was cured. I did do a couple of fingers where I didn't put the paint as thick and I just found that it went a little bit opaque. So you do need to dry it for a little bit longer. I did the full minute for each of these little sections where I put dollops, and those fingers turned out really, really well. Obviously you want to be drying in between each coat. I also dried sporadically as I did the dollops just to make sure that I didn't touch anything or mess anything up. So I would do like a couple of fingers in one color and then dry those and then move on to the next finger, etc. And I also dried with each color that I did. Don't forget, if you want to recreate this or grab a little Galentine's present with the code B30, you'll get 30% off. So I did tease this in one of my Vlogmas videos. The final video of Vlogmas is coming, guys. I will eventually put that up. But I received some stuff in the Madam Glam advent calendar that was either double ups. I now have 2 LED lights for curing your nails. I don't need to, obviously. I have double ups of top coats and base coats, and there's some colors in there that I thought might be really fun for you guys to experiment with, because I have so many colors now that I just don't need that much. I mean, I could keep it all to myself, but I wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm going to put a little pack together that you guys can go in the draw to win. So you do need to be subscribed to my channel, and you need to be following Madam Glam on either their Facebook page or their Instagram. And in the comments down below, let me know that you'd like to be entered into the competition and what is your favorite color nail polish to wear. Are you into the traditional red, or do you go for something a little spicier? The lucky winner will be announced on my Instagram and here on the community section of my YouTube, and I will also let you guys know in a video as well, but the announcement will be announced beforehand in the community section. I know a lot of people miss that, which is why I'll put it into a video, but yeah, you'll be tagged and let know there. As I say, all of the instructions are down below, and it is of course open internationally. I'm happy to send the prize anywhere in the world. So guys, that is the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the video and any suggestions for future videos. I always love your suggestions, and in fact, the vast majority of the videos I put up on YouTube now are your suggestions, so thank you. They also come via my wonderful patrons. Many of my videos get voted for by those guys. You get exclusive voting rights by being a patron, as well as extra content. I have competitions over there to give away things that I have made or received. And I also have like a music tier. There is so much going on over there. So if you haven't checked out my Patreon and you're interested, the link is down below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.